Hello student, our next topic is a pointer to pointer, is a continuation part of the pointer. So pointer to pointer means is a pointer type of variable which hold the address of the another pointer variable. This concept can be executed using this program. So through this program you can easily understand the whole concept. So first we initialize int a, the value is a 5, so it is a normal variable. Int b is a pointer type of variable, and int double star c. So when we put double star before any variable, that means it is a pointer to pointer type of variable. See, b hold the address of a, normal, so b is a pointer type of variable. So c is a pointer to pointer variable which hold the address of the another pointer variable, that is a b. Now the first statement, according to the declaration, the picture actually like that. The 5 so 5 a for the variable a, the value of the 5 is for the value of a, and 2000 is the address. This address hold by the pointer variable b, and the address of the pointer variable of b is hold by the c. So what is the first statement? What is the output of the first statement? So value of a means is a, so the value is 5. Again the value of a, this is another syntax we already discussed in our previous lecture. This when you put the percentage, the asterisk sign before the ampersand, that means it actually indicates the value of the specified address. Similarly the asterisk b, so b means the ampersand a, again the same syntax. Now the value of a, double star c. So double star c means c actually hold the ampersand b, okay, and b actually hold the ampersand a. So when we put the star for each and every condition, we got the value, ultimate value of the 5. So when we put the double star c means it hold the value of the normal variable. So the value of b means the address of a, value of c means the address of b. So address of a we can specify using the ampersand a, address of a, because b hold as a ampersand b. Percentage address of a, another we can say that single star c, because when you put the single star, that means it is a address of the value of b. So value of b means it is the address of a. Another is the address of b, so simple percentage b. Address of b we can see again c, because c hold the address of b and address of c. So using the example we can easily understand how the pointer to pointer variable or the actually work. So this is the output. Now pointer arithmetic. So pointer arithmetic means so arithmetic operator, there is a various type of arithmetic operator, we already learned that thing. So now the what type of arithmetic operation is performed using the pointer. So arithmetic operation basically it done as a increment and the decrement arithmetic operator. So increment means +1 and decrement means -1. So it may be a postfix and prefix. So both the increment and decrement operation is performed using the postfix and using the prefix. Postfix means the ++ sign is after the variable, the ++ sign will be assigned. That means we first take the value and after the execution we can increment the value. And prefix means we first increment the value then use the value. So here is the example, int a, this is a normal variable, we declare the pointer type of variable, and p hold the address of a. Simple. So a, the picture is a value 5 and address 1000. b, it take the address of the a is a 10,000 and the address of b is a 2000. Now here ++b or b++ means we are in the both case we are incrementing the value by 2, as because it is an integer type of variable. From the standard table, every integer variable take a 2 byte of data. So in each and every condition we are incremented by the 2 byte of that value, means the value of the address of first variable. And again the similarly when we perform the decrement operator, we decrement the -2 for the each and every location. Now here is an example of that arithmetic operation on the pointer. So int A is a 5, the pointer type of variable. B hold the address of A. Now address of A %u B. So the value of address is 1000. Now value of B basically the address of A. Okay, so value of B %u is we are performing the pre-increment. Pre-increment means we are performing incremental operation before we use the value. So what is the value of B? Is 1000. First we increment the value, as because it's an integer type of, so that's why we are increment the value of the 2. So that's why it's 1002 plus x. Now the present value of the B is 1002. Now what is the value of the B? %u. So B post increment. Post increment means we first use the value, then increment the value. So first use the value means for this statement the output is the same as it is 2000. After executing this statement, the value B is now incremented by 2. Now the value is 1004. Now the value of B of u, the address of the A is a minus. So present value of the B is 1004, isn't it? So present value of the B is 1004. First we decrement. Pre-decrement means we first decrement the value. So decrement value means -2 from the 1004. We got the 1002 value. Now the next statement, value of B, again B minus. So in that case, now the present value of B is not 1002 because we have decremented already. So post decrement means we first use the value, that is 1002. That's why the value of the 1002 is last. And the last statement, the value of B. So ultimate value of the B is after decrementing the value is 1000. So the last output is our 1000. So here is the same explanation is there. So you can go through the explanation part. So these are the concept of the pointer to pointer and the arithmetic operation of a pointer.